These tears are very valuable.
I, as a junior commission officer, and now seeing the commission officer in my house.
All right, don't take SSB seriously. ठीक है? If you are very serious, you will not be able to.
They are yet to see the life. I have seen the life. नानी जी भी आई हैं. Give her a big hand. It's a very happy occasion. तो इन्हीं के आशीर्वाद से आप लोग और हम लोग सब पैदा हुए और ये माँ और बाबा सुविधा मेजर भरोसे. It's a matter of great honor to welcome them, and I would like to see each one of you with your parents here. These tears are very valuable. हर हार में खड़ी थी और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन करके that both of them were telling कोई बात नहीं है, नहीं हो रहा तो क्या होगा, तुम्हारा समय आएगा. Over to सुविधा मेजर भरोसे साहब.
जय हिंद सर. कर्नल सिन्हा साहब के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरे बेटे को एक कमीशन ऑफिसर बनाया.
मैंने नहीं बनाया, इन लोगों ने बनाया.
क्योंकि जो आज आप लोग कर रहे हो यही एकेडमी है. यही एकेडमी ने मुझे प्राउड फील कराया. जो सपना मैं देख रहा था, आई एज ए जूनियर कमीशन ऑफिसर एंड नाउ सीइंग द कमीशन ऑफिसर इन माय हाउस, एंड ही इज द very grateful to Colonel Sinha sir and this academy, because he is trying to 7 times but cannot be success, and he has joined the academy, Gurudev Academy. He has commissioned. बस मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग भी लगन से करिए. यही एकेडमी आपको कहाँ पहुँचा देगी, यही मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. जैसे मैं
2 लाइन सुनना चाहता हूँ साहब के इसके सिलेक्शन के बाद आपके परिवार के इज्जत में क्या इजाफा हुआ या नहीं हुआ, ये तो मैं बहन से सुनना चाहता था.
मुझे फील हुआ है. मैं तो सर्विस किया, 32 फौज में सर्विस किया, जो मुझे वो फील नहीं हुआ. उसके बाद जो मेरा सोसाइटी में जो इन्होंने मेरे को अप करा दिया, जो कमीशन लेके, वो ऑल बगल की सोसाइटीज और उन लोगों ने जो मुझे एक रिस्पेक्ट दिया, वो मैं काबिल तारीफ था. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का रिस्पेक्ट मिला है मुझे, और ऐसे ही आपके अपने माँ बाप को दे सकते हैं. ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सर.
So I hand it over for a very short spell by Gentleman Cadet Subodh to say how to go about practicing and what changes in life has come now.
All right, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. All right, this time, if I say good afternoon, be a little more louder. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Right now, see, this is the change. You all know that you could have shouted louder, but you did not do it on the first time when I said. So this is the difference. Right? You could have done little better, but अगर तुमने वो पहली बारी में कर दिया होता, so it would have a very different thing.
Do you understand what he's telling? So do it now, damn it. Do it now when you are going for SSB. Do it better. Don't wait for the second chance to go. This is what he wanted to say.
Right now, when you are here, this is not just a class. This is not just where you are coming and spending your time. Make sure that you are taking best out of it. All right. So, ऐसा नहीं है कि you are going down, the class is ending, you are going, sleeping, enjoying with your friends, watching TV series, not doing homework, coming up again. हाँ, क्या ही बोलेंगे सर, क्या ही बोलेंगे लामे मैम, क्या ही बोलेंगे राहुल सर. Don't do like that, right? Because I have experienced it firsthand. As my father was saying, I could not make it in my previous attempts. This was the reason somewhere. I was not that serious, right? That seriousness comes when life set you. ठीक है? When you know कि तुम्हारे parents क्या सोचेंगे, तुम्हारी friends क्या सोचेंगे, and first of all, तुम क्या करोगे in life में, in the end. See, so you have the chance. Go about it. Whatever is being taught right now here, every single nook of thing, close your eyes, just follow that. Just follow that. All right. Be a Eklavya. Be a Eklavya. Just learn what is given here. Imply it. If you have a lot of brain, थोड़ा सा improvise कर लो to be different, but don't change it. I would say don't change it. All right. What has been taught here has made these 1900 officers and two of us that are sitting here. All right. And many more to come. And absolutely, यहाँ पे भी 90% and plus will be officers soon. All right. Don't take SSB seriously. ठीक है? Enjoy the process. If you are very serious, you'll not be able to do it. Be serious in your practice. Very serious. So the enjoyment over there and the person you are right now, SSB standing in front of you as a soldier. ठीक है? अपने अंदर वो soldier ही लाओ. Cross this and you'll enjoy the life. And whatever we is taught here, please उसको अच्छे से लो. ठीक है? Take everything very seriously. This is an experience. Nobody told me कि ये बताओ इन लोगों को. But yes, this is an experience. When I took it personally, when I took it very seriously, I got through. Obviously, Colonel Silla is always there. I am sure ये कभी तुम्हें मना नहीं करेंगे. This person will never ever tell you कि don't come to me. Don't ask me stupid doubts. I can't even tell my doubts what I used to have because they are so stupid. Very naive doubts, very small doubts. I used to go, he used to clear me, and he never said, you are a bloody 23, 22-year-old chap and you are asking me all this. How to speak? He never said that. He told me, speak like this. This kind of person you'll never get at. Never get. All right. Make 100, 200% use of it. And I'm telling you, if you're giving 200%, this person will give 400%. Not less than that, but more than that only. All right. He's always ready, always on his toes. Down the line, he knows that इनको कोई फायदा नहीं है. But he wants that satisfaction. He wants video officers out of you. Do what is told. Enjoy life. You'll get there.
नहीं फायदा है, बहुत फायदा है. Because my blood pressure becomes very good when I meet Junaid, when I meet Subodh, and I'll meet all of you. This keeps me young. They are growing in their age and I'm still the same. I'll remain the same. It gives me that joy कि मेरे एक बेटे नहीं है. It gives me that joy कि कल जब मैं जाऊंगा अफसरों के कंधे पर ही जाऊंगा. मुझे ये पता है कि बहुत घर में चिराग जलेंगे, बहुत जले हैं. But I am an insatiable man. I don't get satisfied soon. I go in for perfection. And for that, if I am kicking you, I have kicked them harder. And I have got no love lost with you. I have got only one thing to see, that you reach. The only thing that can take a person there. When going will become tough, and yet you lift your thigh and go for 100-meter run. That is the type of determination. जब नींद आए तो पूरा सर धो लेना है और फिर बैठना. और नींद क्या चीज होती है और भूख क्या चीज होती है. अगर दृढ़ निश्चय कर लिया है तो फिर ये भूख और ये नींद और ये सब कुछ नहीं रहता. I feel very good that here is a boy who worked so hard. So over to Cadet जुनैद खान. अभी बहुत धक्का खाया हुआ उसने. अगर जो बेटा एनडीए जा रहे हो मिलेगा.
All right, I'll not take much of your time, and I hope you're preparing well for your SSB. Take your SSB, prepare for it well, I would say. Make small groups, make friends over here. You have all the amenities that you want. Trust me, all. The mentors over here are one of the best. Let me say that. One of the best. Just have blind faith in them. Don't try to think out of the way. Just believe whatever they are saying. You're not the first one over here. There are more than 1900 just like me and you who have already come here and changed their life. Just believe whatever they are saying. Make groups. When I was here, I used to make groups with my friends. And then we used to have a healthy competition, be it group discussion or general awareness or stories, be it whatever. Just give your 100%. Sacrifice all your small happiness, whatever you have.
Give a big hand for this. Give a big hand for this. Unless you sacrifice, unless you give up something, how can you get something? Life is Archimedes principle, if I have quoted it right, or Boyle's law, Charles' law, whatever law. You know, if you press, the area that you have gathered it has fallen somewhere else. So, if you give something, you'll get something. But if you keep sleeping, God save you. और यही समय है when the iron is hot. अभी है, जबकि लोहा गर्म है. जिस तरह चाहो मोड़ लो, ठंडा हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ये खान.
Right. So don't think that अरे यार मैंने आज इतना पढ़ लिया, अब इतना रेस्ट कर लेता हूँ. Like sir said, don't think it that way. Just give your heart and soul for just till the time of your SSB. Once you get through, you have immense time. Trust me, immense time. Like I remember I had 2 to 3 months just to enjoy before joining academy, and yet now when I come on term break, I have 1 month of just enjoyment, nothing else. Just give your heart and soul in the process and have blind faith in your mentors. Trust me, and you'll make it.
And all your friends who used to underrate you, when you come in those 1 month, they look upon you, and every word of yours becomes a gospel truth for them, because you become the ideal for them. And you do become. Actually, you become. All you got to do is to accelerate in such a fashion that you can climb up this hill and land up properly. That's all. The rest, the academy will take care of you. Be rest assured, even if you blindfold yourself, it will keep kicking you hard, and your classmates will keep pulling you hard. And you will. And they have yet to see the life. I have seen the life. You live a life of an emperor. आपको मालूम है that you are one of the elite. And to become that elite, और सबसे मजेदार बात है, हम मैंने चोरी वोरी नहीं करना कुछ. जितना गवर्नमेंट देता है उसमें मेरे बाल बच्चे भी ठीक होंगे, 4 व्हीकल भी चलेगा, खूब बढ़िया चलेगा. So I urge you to listen to both these gentlemen. Give them huge hand. Give them a huge hand for both of them. And then the spirit of these two parents, they are like your parents. I'm sure you can just change their face, and you can imagine your mom, dad sitting. So they requires a huge applaud also. But the biggest applaud goes to इंदु मैम, जो इतनी दूर से चढ़ करके, हमसे उम्र इनका कम नहीं है, उन्होंने कहा सीढ़ी चढ़ना है तो नाती के जहां वो बना था मैं जाऊंगी. And she came up. And when somebody was और इसी दिन के लिए माँ बाप, नाना नानी, दादा दादी वेट करते हैं कि मेरे बच्चे मुझे वो दिन दिखलाएंगे जहां समाज में मेरी इज्जत होगी. और इज्जत, पैसा इसके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. पैसा तो आता जाता रहेगा. जो इज्जत आप अपने माँ बाप को दे सकते हैं,